Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 28 April. Today's video topic name is class loader. Java class loader is an abstract class. It belongs to java.lang packages. It loads the classes from the different resources. Java class loader is used to load the class at the runtime. Class loader is a subsystem of the JVM which is used to load the class file. The main function of class loader is to load the class file. Whenever we run the Java program, it is loaded. Whenever we have to run the Java program, it firstly loaded by the class loader. Java class loader is based on three principles. That's are delegation, visibility, and the uniqueness. Then after that we have to see the types of class loader. There are the three built-in class loaders in the Java: Bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, system class loader. One by one we have to see. So first is the Bootstrap class loader. Bootstrap class loader is the first class loader which is the super class of extension class loader. It loads the rt.jar files, and it contains all the class files of the Java, like java.lang package, java.net package, java.util package, java.sql package. It contains all the packages of the classes. Next is the extension class loader. Extension class loader is the child class loader of the Bootstrap class loader and the parent class loader of the system class loader. It loads the jar file at the located index directory. Next is the system or application class loader. System class loader is also called as the application class loader. This is the child class loader of the extension class loader. It loads the class file from the class path. By default, the class path is set. On the current directory. If you want to change the class path, then we have to use -cp or -class path to switch the class path. We have to use these two commands to switch the class path. All these three are the built-in class loader. If you want to create our own class loader, you can create. Just load, just import, or just extend the class loader class. After that, let's see how the class loader works in Java. When the JVM requests to the class, it invokes the load class method of the java.lang.classLoader class. The load class method calls for the find loaded class method to check that the class has been already loaded or not. It's required to avoid the loading of classes multiple times. If the class is already loaded, then it delegates the request to the parent class loader to load the class. If the class loader is not finding the class, then it invokes the find class method to look for the classes in the file system. Means we can use the find class method to find out that loaded class. Suppose that we have an application. Suppose if we have an application specific class like a demo.class, class demo, in that public static void main, in that just system.out.println, in that print the hi everyone. So we have to load that class in the class loader. So the request for the loading of this class means demo.class, the file transfer to the application loader. Then it delegates to the parent extension class loader. Further, it delegates to the Bootstrap class loader. Bootstrap class loader searches this class in the rt.jar file then that class is if they searches and if it's not found, then that request transfer to the extension class loader, because bootstrap is an parent class loader and extension is the child class loader of bootstrap. So the request goes to the extension class loader, which searches for the directory and tries to locate that class there. If the class is found there, the extension class loader loads that class. If the extension class loader does not load that class, then the application class loader loads that class from the class path in the Java. In short, let's see the how class loader follow the rule. So first, it check if the class is already loaded or not. If the class is not loaded, then ask the parent class to load that class. If the parent class does not load that class, then attempt to load that class into the class loader.